Hi, I'm Jonathan O'Brien, and this is my book on sustainable procurement. It's a practical guide to help organizations be able to implement sustainability in the supply base. What are the challenges when we're implementing sustainable procurement? Well, there are a number of challenges. Firstly, procurement as a function doesn't really understand sustainability. We might understand the basics and the headlines that we see, but sustainability is a broad topic. So the first challenge is procurement people need to come to really have a deep understanding of sustainability. Second, organizations are engaging new sustainability functions to be able to help make their organizations sustainable. The problem is those sustainability functions don't understand procurement. So those two functions need to come together and be able to share the knowledge. The third challenge we have is some of the things we need to do to drive in sustainability dilute our commercial leverage, particularly if we're restricting a marketplace because there are limitations on how we can truly source sustainably. That means we then reduce the number of suppliers and potentially end up in a situation where a supplier can have greater leverage over us because we have to have a longer term relationship so they can invest in what we need them to do. There are ways around this by developing that relationship and providing for the right mechanisms to ensure that we don't lose commercial leverage, but yet we trade on the relationship instead. The next way is that sustainability can cost money. We shouldn't kid ourselves that this is for free and it's going to save money. Longer term it will, because in theory sustainability should be more cost effective, but right now it has a cost and that needs to be resourced and that needs to be something the organization is ready for. And finally, the other big challenge is that when we try and drive sustainability in our supply chains, often we're trying to drive change with entities where we have no contractual relationship, many steps removed in distant countries that we don't understand or cannot see. That's the hardest thing of all. How do we do this? Well, we have to confront those challenges, work through them, and key to this is being able to tell stories about the positive benefit that we will bring, not just for our organization, but also for society and environment as a whole if we drive in sustainable procurement.